welcome back to our channel. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Lucy.
And today we are going to be trying a bunch of like candy and like Laffy Taffies. And we're also going to try this drink. So, yeah. Okay, so first we're going to start with...
Dump it all out.
Okay, so we're going to... First we're going to try these wax bottles. Try the red one.
I'm going to try the orange one.
Squirted everywhere. It's coming out.
Oh, these are the sweet ones.
That was good.
That was really good.
Next, I'm trying the yellow.
I'm trying the green. I think it's gonna. What's your guess of what it is?
Lemon.
Or pineapple.
True. Pineapple would be really good.
I'm gonna say lime.
Okay.
Or a green apple.
Lemon,
Watch
definitely.
No, it's getting all weird.
That was not very good.
That was best.
We drank all the baby bottles.
That was really quick.
Yeah, that was really quick.
Oh!
There's like...
Looks like you just got blood.
Let the dogs out!
Got blood all over you.
Yeah. Okay, anyways. Next one, try the pixie sticks. Okay, I have 3, and she has 4 because we kind of lost one. But we're gonna do the pixie sticks now. Of course, we got all blue because
All over me.
blue is just the best.
No.
Lucy's not gonna do them. I'm gonna do them. Last time I did this, it shot down my throat and I started choking.
But
That's okay.
Positive.
I think this one's like raspberry or something.
I think that one's could be watermelon. Okay. No, what? It's gonna squirt all over my carpet.
Why is it not burning? Okay.
I'm still getting. I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. I'll go behind you. It's not gonna squirt back of your head.
It's that little tiny hole. It's literally everywhere. I'm gonna do this one like straight away.
No, you're not.
Kind of shot down my throat. That was traumatic. Now we're gonna try the Laffy Taffy. This one is strawberry banana. Let's try these ones.
Okay. Don't try it.
Strawberry banana.
What do you think it's gonna taste? Like, how do you think it's gonna rate?
I think it's gonna be like an 8 out of 10. I think it's gonna be pretty
like
good.
a 7 out of 10.
Okay. These are hard.
Banana. It's really good.
What do you rate it?
8.
Yeah.
7.5.
I rate it 8.5.
Or just 8. Because I ate.
I think it's time to try the cookies and cream soda. I got this. Let me just try to use this can opener.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, look at it. This is not. Like, why is this impossible?
Wait.
Getting a knife. But I literally got it. Do you see the bubbles? I'm like prying it open. Lucy, I got it.
You did?
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna try to like pry it open.
No, you go like this. Here, can
I know it's open a little bit.
Can I show you?
There, I got it. Yippee! Yippee! It's zucchini. It kind of just got everywhere, including on my phone.
Oh my gosh.
Ew.
It smells good.
It kind of smells good. Okay, I'm so scared.
Don't say it, don't. Okay.
What?
I don't know.
Let's just try it.
Okay.
I think it's good.
I think it's good too. I think it's good. I just like, you can definitely tell it's cookies and cream. Grab dipping.
It's very questionable.
Who made the soda? And what flavorings did they use? Okay, why? What do you open that? What is your?
This is the big fat boy. The big fat boy. Look at him.
Oh, there's a big fat boy. He bites. He bites.
What? Blue raspberry because we know it's gonna be good.
No, it's gonna be good.
Because so next is blue raspberry. 10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. Raspberry lemonade. This one. Raspberry lemonade. What do you think it's gonna be? Like, what do you rate it? That's gonna be like a 6 out of 10.
I think 7. 6, 7. There's a little pink and purple and yellow vibe.
How do you not? This is the bag of doom.
Doom.
The buttered popcorn.
I don't think I can open it. Hopefully I can't. So I want to eat this torture. You low key.
I do not like that.
Oh no, I actually took the pina colada.
No way you took the pina colada. I hate it. I think it is
ew.
It's so bad. So bad, so bad, so bad, so bad. Now I'm gonna try the pina colada.
I'm not gonna tell you if it's good or not.
Really good. The fruity cereal.
I'm scared.
It tastes good, but like I couldn't eat the entire thing. This is shaved ice. I don't get it why it's rainbow.
If it's shaved ice, I feel like it'd be like,
yeah.
Bombastic cider.
Okay, maybe we'll try it. Tutti frutti. Next is the berries and cream. There was like also purple one and blue one, but since we already got blue, berries and cream. So, it smells disgusting. Ew. Original. I feel like. Okay, next is cherry. I think it's gonna be like I don't know. It's hard to say.
cherry.
So this is mystery flavor. Okay, I don't know what this one is.
Kind of scared.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared. It smells so bad. Oh yeah, this is cherry Coca-Cola.
Oh yeah. Try Coke.
I really like Coke.
I think it's going to honestly be like a 4. I feel like Coke.
Yeah, it tastes exactly like Coke, but it's just not really it. I'm gonna eat the rest of these.
Okay.
That was our taste testing. Leave us questions in the comments for our Q&A that we're gonna do, and we'll also like come up with some questions in our next video. We don't know when it's gonna be. We just want to do that in our next video. So leave some questions for our Q&A. In the bottom, nothing like personal though. That like
nothing too personal. Yeah, really deep.
Yeah. And so yeah. Bye.
Bye.